Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. We've got the DJI Mavic 3 Classic and the GoPro Hero 11 Black doing a virtual tour of the Lot 11 skate park in Miami, Florida. And make sure you hit that subscribe button because coming up next is the beautiful Bradenton skate park. Lot 11 in Miami, let's get it. One thing that certainly wasn't lacking was all the gorgeous street art. Dante wasted no time right when we got there. And I love the skate park is underneath the bridge, protecting it from the environment. The sun is not baking the park, and erosion from water and rain are almost non-existent. What a great way to prolong the longevity of the skate park. Lot 11 has something to offer for almost any type of skater out there. There are a ton of street obstacles there, and I feel like you could spend the entire day and still find a new vert transition. It's always awesome to see a park designed by professionals because the flow of this park is amazing. You can get around the entire park without a push. The exact date that I shot this was Monday, January 30th, and if you happen to know who this person is doing a fakie half cab heel, check it out, I got it on camera. And of course, we had to play in the bowl for just a little bit. And just a heads up, if you thought about taking your dog to the park, later that night when we came back to get the drone footage, we were approached by a man who assured me he was a founder and that dogs were not allowed in the park, which was fine. We had all the footage that we needed. We packed up and headed out without any problems. There's even a 4-foot mini off in the back corner. Now Dante swears this wedge was replicated after a famous spot in Miami at a courthouse, so if you know what it is, please comment below. After about 3 hours of running around, Rome was completely tuckered out and ready for the beach. If you like this video, I would so greatly appreciate it if you hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe so you catch us in Bradenton Skate Park next time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in Bradenton.